name is Lee Perez. I teach English as a second language, ESL, at Alice Buffett Magnet Middle School for the Omaha Public Schools District, and I'm the 2022 Nebraska Teacher of the Year. It feels amazing to put all that work into it and to see it finally pay off, because now I get to take what I'm passionate about and go out and give professional developments, conferences, and speaking engagements. My mission is to promote more culturally responsive teaching practices, more ESL training for mainstream teachers in classrooms, and to recruit and retain more teachers of colors to keep up with our more diversified student body. And I hope to inspire other people of color to run for this award, because Nebraska is more culturally diverse than a lot of people give it credit for.
Mr. President, I have Dr. Logan and the Commissioner of Education here to give you something today.
All right. Real quick, how's my hair look? I was surprised. I remember I came in thinking like, wow, and I felt really nervous, and so I cracked a joke about how did my hair look just to kind of be an icebreaker. So yeah, it was a surprise, but like I said, growing up, I hated school. I was not your ideal student. I skipped school a lot. I had bad grades. I actually ran with the wrong crowd, had a few minor run-ins with law enforcement too, and teachers were always there. They never gave up with me. I had one teacher of color that really helped me out in high school, but they just never ever gave up on me. So when it came to pick a career, it was kind of like yeah, I need to do this. I will say this, NSEA has been great. Like, honestly, they have done so much for me, and they've literally given me so many opportunities to develop professionally as a teacher. I would not have won Nebraska Teacher of the Year without the Nebraska State Education Association. And I am proud to say that. So if I'm going to be the representative for Nebraska, I'm going to do it with honesty, civility, and integrity. So.
And no pressure.
Exactly, no pressure.